Hi everyone. Today we are at Putrajaya Botanical Garden. It is one of the largest botanical garden in Malaysia. Did you know that Putrajaya Botanical Garden is also called as Mother of all gardens? This is because Putrajaya Botanical Gardens consists of 750 species of plants from all around the world. Apart from being a tourist attraction, the Putrajaya Botanical Garden also plays an important role in ex situ conservation. Now, what does an ex situ conservation means? According to the Malaysia National Biodiversity Policy 1998, ex situ conservation maintains species outside their original habitats in facilities such as arboreta, zoological gardens, seed gene banks, in vitro gene banks, and field gene banks. By cultivating and preserving rare, endangered, and valuable plants in such facilities, this helps ensure their survival and also create opportunities for research, education, and future reintroduction into the wild. Other examples of ex situ conservation in Malaysia include the Forest Research Institute Malaysia, FRIM in Selangor, which maintains living collection of tropical tree species. Other than that, the National Zoo, which we commonly known as Zoo Negara, which endangered animals such as the Malayan tiger and tapir are bred and conserved outside their natural environment. Before we start exploring, let's first discover why this botanical garden was created and the purpose it serves.
This botanical garden was opened to the public on the 4th of February 2003 by Malaysia's former Prime Minister Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad and has been one of the green icons for Putrajaya for more than 2 decades. The 3 main purposes that this botanical garden serves are: number 1, conservation of flora, which is to preserve and protect native, rare, and exotic plants for future generations. Second, for education and research, where this garden serves as a living classroom and research hub for students, scientists, and also for the public. And the third one is for recreation and tourism, as this area provides a green, relaxing space for ecotourism and environmental awareness. Now, let's go and explore a few native floral species that can be found here in Putrajaya Botanical Garden.
Today, I will talk about traditional herb in Malaysia. The herb that we have is called Ornithalamus malayanus, or commonly known as akar gajah beranak in Malaysia. This plant is from the family of Annonaceae family that is native to Peninsular Malaysia, specifically Kelantan. The habitat of akar gajah beranak is moist, shaded environment under tall rainforest canopy. Akar gajah beranak is famous as traditional herb because it is used to treat fever and also act as a pain relief. Fun fact, the name of akar gajah beranak is because when a female elephant gives birth, it will eat the roots of this plant. Next, we have Albizia pumila, which is commonly known as Kacik Fatimah in Malaysia. This plant is from the family of Primulaceae, which is native in Peninsular Malaysia, Borneo, Sumatra and Java. It grows naturally in shaded, moist forest floor under tall canopy cover. Albizia pumila is famous as traditional herb because it is believed that Albizia pumila can facilitate women childbirth, post childbirth, and menstrual irregularities. This is because the water extract contain bioactive compound such as beta carotene, ascorbic acid. This is cited from National Library of Medicine.
This botanical garden is home to wide variety plant species, including some that are particularly endangered. Among these, there are several native species that are particularly vulnerable due to habitat loss, land conversion, deforestation, and other human activities. While there are numerous species that are facing threats, we will only focus on species that are native to this country. The first species is Johannes paracensis, or known as palm hill. Site from Malaysia Biodiversity Information System, J. paracensis is the only member out of 4 in its genus that has an erect stem and can grow up to 5 meter tall. Its gigantic, elegant, diamond-shaped leaves fan out like a beacon in the lower forest canopy, presenting an awe-inspiring sight. This princely palm is locally known as daun payung, and the broad leaves can come in handy to save you from being drenched in the rain. However, J. paracensis is endemic to Perak and to the southernmost part of Kedah. In Perak, it is locally abundant on specific mountain ranges and forest valleys. The species has been assessed as endangered chiefly because of loss of habitat due to forest conversion. It needs to be conserved, and it is encouraging that the Putrajaya Botanical Garden has immortalized this magnificent palm in its official logo. So guys, now we are at Bougainvillea Tunnel, that also a main spot at Putrajaya Botanical Garden. This magnificent Bougainvillea Tunnel, mostly full of Bougainvillea glabra species, or known as pepper flower, that are most common species used for bonsai. B. glabra is heat and drought tolerant and frost sensitive. It is easily propagated by cuttings. It needs full sunlight, warm weather, and well-drained soil to flower well. This species often used in culture in areas with frost in glasses, otherwise outdoors. In addition, aside from eye naturalists, B. glabra also being of medical importance. The infusion of plant tender leaves and bracts is used orally to treat gastrointestinal problems and respiratory conditions.
Hi everyone, Wan here. You might be wondering, what do we actually gain from having botanical gardens? Well, botanical gardens play a vital role to the ecosystem in various aspects, as botanical gardens are extremely important institutions that safeguard the environment from ever-increasing environmental concerns and have lots of importance to the world. First of all, botanical gardens can be a place for education and public resources, as it educates public the importance of plant conservation and the threats faced by endangered species. For instance, human activities such as deforestation and overexploitation, which is overharvesting for trade or medicinal use. Moreover, botanical gardens play a crucial role in mitigating climate change. Through adaptation research, they can help us understand how plants adapt to changing climates and develop strategies for conservation. Other than that, carbon sequestration. Plants play a vital role in carbon cycling, and botanical gardens can contribute to research in this area. Regarding a 2021 study conducted at 2 botanical gardens in Canada by the University of British Columbia, published in UBC News, trees and plants in botanical gardens capture and store carbon, thus reducing greenhouse gases. In addition, botanical gardens play a major role in supporting ecosystems. As we all know, botanical gardens are essential for maintaining biodiversity, since they act as safe havens for rare and endangered plant species. Plants are essential for healthy ecosystems, and botanical gardens play a key role in preserving plant diversity. Apart from that, botanical gardens also provide ecosystem services. They can support research into the various services that plants provide, such as clean air and water. A 2024 study published in Hydrology looked at Nepal's botanical garden and show how its water management systems help improve water quality and create habitats for wildlife.
Botanical garden is also known as a center for scientific research. It acts as a living laboratory, allowing researchers to study various types of plants in tightly controlled areas in terms of soil, water, and source of light. It is also crucial for climate change research that helps scientists to understand how plants react to the climate change for their survival. In addition, botanical garden also offers opportunities for us to explore potential use of plants in terms of agriculture, medicine, and other industries through experimentation and research. Apart from that, botanical garden also act as a way to rescue endangered species. They are used as seed banks, which is designed to store seeds from endangered species in a long term under controlled condition. For example, low temperature and humidity. The objective of it is to store plant genetic materials for a long term so it can be used to reintroduce the species in their natural habitats when they become endangered and also extinct due to the human activities, disease, and also climate change.
We've come to the end of our visit at Taman Botani Putrajaya, and it has been an enriching experience.
Exploring the garden allowed us to appreciate the beauty and diversity of Malaysia's natural florals.
We also learned that how these plants are not only unique but also essential in maintaining biodiversity.
They contribute greatly to our culture, history, and the balance of our environment.
That's why it's important for us to protect and preserve these species for the future.
Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration. Let us all play our part in safeguarding biodiversity. Because remember, nature is our treasure.